Hello friends! Today we're unboxing the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies Bulldozer. Let's start by opening the box together. Look! It's our Bolt Buddy construction worker and their adorable dog sidekick. Time to build our bulldozer. Let's count the tires together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's our special screwdriver. Ready to build? Let's twist, twist, twist. Now let's attach the scoop bucket. We'll twist in the screw to hold it in place. Great job! Now let's get our Bolt Buddy in the seat so he can drive. Don't forget the safety cones, little buddy. We'll screw and snap in the extra pieces. And now we're ready to roll. But wait! We still need to add the stickers. Steady. Doesn't that look amazing? Here's a cool surprise. The box turns into a construction playset. Just fold it and flip it over. Now we have our very own construction site. Let's put our buddy in the driver's seat. We can raise the scoop bucket up, down, and all around to get the job done. Vroom! Off you go! Let's climb up and check that everything's safe. Charlie the dog is headed to the doghouse. Time for a nap. Woof woof! Oh, more safety cones. Let's flip them up. There we go. Build, drill, and play. Vroom! Beep, beep, coming through. And that's the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies Bulldozer. You can mix and match with other design and drill sets to build your very own world of fun. Hello friends! Today we're going to play with the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies crane. Let's open up the box and get ready to build something amazing. Here's the drill. We'll use this to screw in all the bolts. Whoa! This crane is huge! It needs 6 wheels to get moving. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look who's here! 2 Bolt Buddies construction workers. They're all dressed up for a day's work, hard hats and all. Now that we've added batteries to the drill, let's use it to put on the wheels. Place the screws and zip, zip. The wheels are on. This crane comes with lots of bolts to drill, so let's practice. This is really fun. Just one more to go. Check out this wrecking ball. Pretty cool, huh? We'll use it to knock things down. Smash! Look at our buddy's face. It changes with a twist, from surprised to happy. And wow, you're really excited today, aren't you? Smash! No wonder, this is so much fun. Time to decorate. This crane comes with lots of stickers. And now we're ready to roll. Hop into the driver's seat. You're in charge of the wrecking ball, and everyone gets to come along. Here's a fun surprise. The box turns into a playset. Just fold it like this, flip it around, and ta-da! Now we've got a city construction site. Let's start building and move those blocks. Swing the crane into action. We can use the drilling board for even more practice. Drill. Beep, beep, beep. Vroom. Off to the next job. And that's a Design and Drill Bolt Buddies crane. Mix and match with other Design and Drill playsets to build your own construction world. Hello friends! Today we're unboxing something super exciting. The Design and Drill Bolt Buddies fire truck. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are the instructions. They'll help guide us. And look at this fire truck. Isn't it amazing? Here's the drill. You'll need a grown-up's help to add batteries so it can work properly. Safety first on this construction site. Let's count the wheels together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of wheels. Let's drill in the bolts. Drill. That's the sound of building fun. Now let's add the lights. How many can you count? I love squeezing the drill. It's so fun and easy to use. Let's use the stickers to add cool details on our fire truck. Wow, it looks awesome. Here's a fun surprise. The box turns into a playset. So don't throw it away. Just fold, flip, and tape it together. Now we have our very own firehouse. Look who's here. 2 firefighters. You can twist them to change their expressions. Hey, buddy. You look a little worried. Are you okay? Don't worry. Spot the dog is here to help cheer you up. Let's add the water blaster to the end of the ladder. This helps us fight fires. Oh no! The fire hydrant is overflowing. Here's a special water bit for the drill. When you use it, the bolts look like flowing water. Isn't that neat? Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. There's a fire to fight. Let's go save the day. Spray the water blaster and extinguished. That means the fire is out. Well done, partner. Let's call it a day. And that's the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies fire truck. You can collect all the Design and Drill playsets to build your very own world of adventure.